In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change our stage in Blox Fruit's first C. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. While you are on the first C, you will be able to change the color of your aura. All that you have to do is go over to this exact house. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. So you have to go over to this house here. To find it, just look for this building with the blue roof. As you can see, it is very unique, and once you find these circular roofs, you will be able to go into the house at the right side of it. Immediately upon going inside of this house, you will find two NPCs, Robot Maga, and finally the Aura Editor, which is who we're looking for. Immediately upon clicking on him, this is what he has to say. Hey son, want to change how your aura ability looks visually? Your original strength will remain the same. You won't notice any difference if you still haven't unlocked the aura ability or evolved to any stages. So my character is a newbie, I don't actually have the aura unlocked, but don't worry, I'm still going to teach you how to do it. Now, when you go over and talk to him, you will be able to browse through all of the stages. So you have stage 0, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, and finally stage 5. You can pick between any of these stages. Immediately upon selecting, the visual stage is going to change, and of course, if you had the aura, you would be able to notice a difference. Now, sadly, like I said, because my character is a newbie, I won't be able to demonstrate this. I don't have the aura unlocked, but if you did, it's as simple as talking to him, and immediately it would be properly changed. So all that you have to do is talk to the aura editor, and you will see the aura take effect with the different stage. And of course, like he said, when you talk to him the first time, there is no difference in the actual strength. This is all visual, so don't worry about losing your aura or downgrading it to a lower level. I hope I was able to help you on how to change aura stage in Blox Fruit's first C. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.